Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. If you are experiencing swelling and pain in the affected area, here's how to make swelling go down. Just follow our simple methods and remedies to make the pain and swelling vanish. The hot and cold compresses can be applied, depending on the level of swelling of your body. This can be an effective home remedy to bring down the level of inflammation and reduce swelling. Say if the swelling is due to an allergic reaction, you can apply ice packs to bring down the level of swelling. It will cool down the skin and reduce swelling immediately. Swelling in the hands and the feet can be reduced effectively with a simple home remedy of salt solution. 2 teaspoons of salt should be mixed in a glass of water. Then your hands and feet should be soaked in the salt solution for 10 to 15 minutes. It is very effective in draining out the extra flow of liquids to the hands, as well as the feet. It is better if you can make someone do it for you. It is extremely relaxing and is known to improve the blood circulation. In the case of a mild swelling, applying a certain amount of pressure will reduce the swelling to a large extent. It should be done mildly, gently, and point to the direction of the heart. In certain cases, to reduce swelling, you can resort to the wearing of compression garments like stockings, gloves, and sleeves. These clothes are known to apply pressure on that particular area, and the fluids do not get collected in the tissue there. The net result is that it prevents swelling. There are quite a few topical ointments and sprays that can be rubbed over the skin to reduce pain and swelling. Although many of the products contain different ingredients that help reduce pain and inflammation, some of the common ingredients include capsaicin, salicylates, and counterirritants. Some of the popular ones are felbinac, piroxicum, and ketoprofen. In addition to this, there are the host of sprays along with ointments to reduce the swelling. You may click on the links in the description below to get some of the items mentioned in this video.